Imagine a world where you don't have to guess what features your users want. At XBiz Intelligence, we use data-driven MVP validation to ensure every feature we build solves real user problems and delivers real value. No more guesswork, just insight, evidence, and community-backed results. In this 4-part series, we'll take a deep dive into MVP development. Here's what each part will cover. In part 1, we'll introduce MVP development, what it is and why it's essential in software development. In part 2, we'll deep dive into our 8-phase MVP development process. In part 3, we'll cover a real client case study to demonstrate our MVP development process. In part 4, we'll recap and discuss what happens next. I'll see you guys in part 1, Introduction to MVP Development.